Yo told me he been on some positive shit, yeah, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah, yeah.
So, don't get me wrong, I love the energy and the motivation of city life, but it's easy to get caught up in the fast pace and forget to relax. And honestly, we are not machines, even though sometimes we act like it. We need time to rest, handle our adulting tasks like laundries and groceries, cook a good meal, and spend time with our loved ones. So, let's take some time today to take care of our space, our things, and ourselves. This video is about all the things I do on my rest day, and trust me, you'll thank me later.
Decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the men, politicians, I'm trying to change the image.
So many of us feel like we don't deserve to rest. We get caught up in this hustle that we forget how important it is to slow down and recharge. I mean, it's like we are constantly, how do I put this, on a treadmill, thinking that if we are not moving forward, we are falling behind. But in reality, just taking a step back and enjoying simple pleasure can make a huge difference. And honestly, you deserve that time to relax, and I do think you should prioritize it. So, about gaming, I just got the PS5 Slim and wow, what an upgrade. Jumping from the PS4 to the PS5 is like night and day in terms of graphics, speed, and overall performance. Come, let me show you something. Now for the spec geeks out there, yeah, this thing has an 825GB of SSD storage and a 10.28 GPU processor and can handle up to 120 FPS. I mean, this thing is good for the price, but with the games coming out soon, I think PlayStation has to up their game. Because at this point, GTA and Assassin's Creed are looking phenomenal. And I don't know if the PS5 will be able to handle games of next year due to the high intense graphic some games might have, and probably some other games that might run in Unreal Engine 5 or so. It might just be too much for the PS5, but who am I to say? We might just get an update, probably the PS6. But for now, the game is doing exceptional. And I do enjoy the seamlessness of the PS5. I transferred all my PS4 games into the PS5 and it was smooth, no hiccups. So, with that being said, gaming has always been a chill way for me and probably some of you guys to relax. I mean, it's a great way to escape that daily hustle. Plus, I feel like these days is one of those days where I sit back, relax, and play game all day.
Fight in my head, had me thinking I had no left. Really feeling I'm just a mess. Don't believe all the things they say, and you see all the pain they bring. It was wrong. And I'm mad that I gave you a thought, cause you know you was wrong. And I'm looking at God and I see that he's still on the throne. He told me the reason I'm living. I know that I'm gifted, I know that I'm on. And I'm keeping the vision strong. Got in my dogs. And you can't tell nothing.
Okay, so going to Ikea is always a crazy experience because I always end up buying stuff. It might just be because I don't feel satisfied with what I have at home, or just the fact that I really want to renovate my apartment, but to be honest, I don't really have the time yet. Anyhow, I decided to hang out with some of my friends and it was super fun. Just to break that introvert habit of being at home. I mean, I'm always in front of my desk being productive. And yeah, I needed that social time to reset my mood. The fun part was we still ended our time wandering around Ikea, looking for inspiration for my apartment. I mean, yeah, it's cool, but it's hard to find something authentic that actually fits my style. And I'm not gonna lie, I liked what I saw and it was interesting, but I think I'm just gonna do a deeper dive somewhere else. Overall, I enjoyed hanging out with these folks and it was actually cool.
stars. Holy Spirit, open up the door. It's okay for me to be alone. Put the living water in my soul. 'Cause I don't need the one to make me whole.
So this is why I enjoy having the iPad. I mean, this thing is so seamless and it contributes to my relaxation overall. Right now, I'm about to make a dish, so you know your boy's gonna need that recipe, and I'm just gonna listen to music and just kind of like vibe a little bit. So let's begin. Trying to balance work, gym, and being creative can sometimes lead to consequences. That's why I feel like I need a dedicated day to reset. And as a fitness enthusiast, I love being creative with my meals to help me repair my muscles and get stronger. I want to avoid injuries and stay in shape. That's why it's fun to learn new recipes and experiment with food, especially on rest days. It's not always about being productive all the time. It's just about chilling and doing things different. That's why I'm making this meal and planning to sit back, watch a movie, and just enjoy it. Don't get me wrong, I think everybody handles rest days differently, and it's probably a lot harder if you have kids. And when do you even have rest when you have kids? With that said, balancing your downtime is key. I mean, this simple nourishing action contributes to personal growth and relaxation in their own ways. Just like plants need water to thrive, taking time to connect with loved ones or engage in calming hobbies will help you recharge and grow. Now that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.